look into a broken mirror, an old man looking back, staring to a pale face, dim rings round tired eyes. Face that tells a story that never should have been told. A story of a lonely life lost long ago. As the cold wind blows, I've always been a loner. Guess what they say is right. If someone picked the wrong word, sure as hell I'd pick a fight. Foolish pride and sheer wild rage got me into trouble deep. My blood ran cold and blood I made flow. I was a lily white town's black sheep. As the cold wind blows, as the cold wind blows. When I was a young man, my dreams burst at the seams. But day by day, one by one, I drowned in my own fears. My girl, my woman, my soulmate was the one who gave her love a sense. She was the only one who could crack my heart. And one of us who was so goddamn smart. The only one who could bear my heat. Soothe my troubled soul, still smiling, oh so sweet. On the way to bed me out, my baby hit a tree, and a brave heart stopped to beat. As the cold wind blows, as the cold wind blows. Today I'm walking up the mountain high. My mind is clear and bright. The word of God in my left hand and a gun in my right. Take my guitar off my back, string bands with a sing sound. I'm playing one last song, then I put it down. Sun sinks slow and I lay down. My livel had a crest. Wind gently comforts my face as if to say, I know you tried your best. Will embrace you with tender wings. You deserve some rest. Clasp my gun, close my eyes, take a last deep breath. And I'm a free man at last. And a cold wind blows no more. Merci vielmals.